Hello friends. Uh, so in this video I would like to discuss about how to revise financial accounting subject for December 2020 online examinations. As you know that for December 2020 online examinations only, the syllabus pattern has changed and up to 85 marks will come from multiple choice question and only 15 marks come from subjective type. So your attention and focus need to be given most importantly on multiple choice questions. So let's uh, discuss about the syllabus structure of financial accounting. There are four sections: section A, section B, section C and section D. In section A you need to study about accounting basics. In section B you need to study about preparation of financial statement. In section C you need to study about sale balancing ledger, royalties, hire purchase and installment system, branch and departmental account. And in section D you need to study about accounting in computerized environment and accounting standards. Okay, so uh, here is the structure. In section A you need to study about fundamentals of accounting and accounting for special transactions. In section B, you need to study about preparation of financial statement, preparation of financial account of profit-oriented organization, non-profit organization, and from incomplete record. And a partnership account, how to maintain partnership account, admission in case of admission, death, retirement, etc. And in section C, you need to prepare self-balancing ledgers, royalties, hire purchase and installment system, branch and departmental accounts. Okay, and in section D, you need to study about computerized environment and accounting standards. Overview of computerized accounting and accounting standards, only specific accounting standards. So here is the content of financial accounting subject. In study note 1, that is fundamentals of accounting, you need to study about what are the basics of fundamental accounting. What do you mean by generally accepted accounting principles, that is called GAAP, concepts and conventions of financial accounting, capital and revenue transactions, what are the difference between capital and revenue transactions, accounting for depreciation and rectifications of error. There are 70 pages and at least one day required for revision purpose. Very important uh, topic, fundamentals of accounting. Okay, then study note number 2, that is accounting for special transaction. There are 50 pages. 2 days at least required to revise this study note, because you need to prepare about bills of exchange, consignment account, joint venture accounts, insurance claim in case of loss of stock and loss of profit. All are very important. Okay, 50 pages are there. Then in study note number 3, that is preparation of financial statement of profit oriented organization. How to prepare profit oriented organization financial statement and how to solve bad debt account. You need to focus upon preparation of financial statement of profit oriented organizations very much. Then study note number 4, that is preparation of financial statement of not for profit organization. It will take 1 day to complete. 12 pages are there. Then story note number 5, that is preparation of financial statements from incomplete records. How to prepare financial statement from incomplete record? 34 pages are there. So at least 1 day is required for the purpose of revision. Don't skip even single page, as you know where question will come, as there are 85 marks up to 85 marks is coming from multiple choice question. So each and every chapter is important. Then story note number 6, very important story note: partnership account. In case of admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of partner, dissolution of a partnership firm, insolvency of a partner, then amalgamation of firms and conversion to a company, then conversion or sale of a partnership firm to a company. There are 97 pages. 2 days at least required for the purpose of revision. And then story note number 7 is self-balancing ledger. Self-balancing ledger is very important for your examination point of view. At least 1 day is required for revision purpose. Then story note number 8, that is royalties. 16 pages are there. Again it will take 1 day for the purpose of revision. Then story note number 9, that is hire purchase and installment system. There are 16 pages and 1 day at least required for the purpose of revision. Very important topic. Then story note number 10, that is branch and departmental account. In branch and departmental account, you need to prepare about various branch accounts and departmental account. 38 pages are there. So at least 2 days required for the purpose of revision. Then computerized accounting system, that is story note number 11. Computerized accounting system, 30 pages are there. At least 1 day is required. All are theory. So 1 day is very enough for the purpose of revision. Then story note number 12, that is accounting standards. In case of accounting standards, you need to focus upon disclosure of accounting policies, valuation of inventories, construction contract, revenue recognitions, property, plant and equipment. Okay, you don't need to study about Ind AS. You just need to focus upon only accounting standard 1, that is disclosure of accounting policies. Then AS2, that is valuation of inventories. Then AS7, construction contract. Then AS9, revenue recognition. Then AS10, property, plant and equipment, that is called PPE, property, plant and equipment. So in this way, at least 15 days required for the purpose of revision of financial accounting for December 2020 online examinations. Don't skip even a single page, because you know where question will come, as up to 85 marks will be come from multiple choice question and only 15 marks will be from subjective type. So this is it all about the revision strategy of financial accounting. Okay, thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for your time.